Good morning, students. How are you all? In this period, hope you all are fine. And for class 8 today, we are going to start a new chapter. And chapter that is chapter number 3, that is algebraic expression and identities. Okay. First of all, we will talk about algebraic expressions, and then after that, we will talk about identities, how to solve, what are these things, all these things we will learn. In algebraic expression, some basic terms are there. First of all, we will talk about all these. One is variable, constant, terms, like term, unlike term, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. About all these terms we will learn thoroughly. First of all, we will talk about variable. Okay, students, what are variable? In previous classes also we have learned what are variable. Can you say about it? Yes, variable is a quantity whose value is not fixed. Whose value is not fixed. Sometimes we take x, y, z, a, b, c, any alphabetic, any alphabet you can take, that is variable, because its value is not fixed. Like I am taking variable. First of all, I will write what is variable, whose value is not fixed. We cannot take fixed value, correct? Like we can say values maybe x, maybe y, z, a, b, c, and so on. Any alphabet, alpha, beta, gamma, so many uh, quantities are there which we can show in the form of variable. Okay, hope you understood. Next one is constant. Constant means the same in one line. I would like to say constant whose value is fixed. Whose value is fixed, we cannot change. Here we can change, but in this one we cannot change. Here how can we change? The value of x may be 1, maybe 2, maybe -1, -2, -5, or any. It may be. Variable means vary, whose value is varying. Varying means changing. So change होने को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Variable बोलते हैं, right? जिसकी वैल्यू चेंज हो रही है. अब now constant means fixed, जिसकी वैल्यू फिक्स हो. Now the fixed value means, like suppose I am writing here number 5. Can we change the value of 5? No, we cannot change. Next one is 2. Can we change the value of 2? No, we cannot change. 2 is always will be 2 only. 0, -5, or any number, -1, -2, any integer, rational number, or whatever, whose value is fixed, we can write here. Okay, whose value we cannot change, so anything we can write here. So this one constant. Next one is terms. What are terms? Terms are algebraic terms are the part of the algebraic expression. And before that we want to know about algebraic expression. Now see, what are algebraic expression. So what are algebraic expression? Algebraic expression are the expression in the combination of variable, constant, and the arithmetic operation like addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. These are the combination of all these things. It will contain constant, variable, and all arithmetic operation. All arithmetic operation I told you just before: addition, multiplication, and division or subtraction. Like for example, I will write here 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Now watch it carefully. In this one, variables are x are variable. Again I will write 3x plus y. This one also algebraic expression. In this one, variable is x and y. Constant is 3. Here variable is x and x. Constant 1, 3, and 2. So these all are called, this complete expression is called algebraic expression. Algebraic means variable should be there. Okay. After that, terms. What are the terms? Terms are the part of algebraic expression. Okay, what are the terms? Terms are the part of algebraic expression. algebraic expression के part होते हैं. क्या होते हैं? algebraic expression के part होते हैं. And they are connected or separated. You can say connected or separated by plus or minus sign only. Don't use division and multiplication. Like just before I have written here 3x plus y plus 2. Suppose this is an algebraic expression. Correct? This complete is one term. You know there is a multiplication sign between 3 and x. Here this is y. You can say this is multiply by 1. Here this is 2, also multiply by 1, but these main things are, these are separated by plus or minus sign, maybe minus or maybe plus. So these are the terms. In this one, in this expression, we can say 3 terms are there. Term number 1, number 2 and number 3. These 3 terms are there. Correct? So like this, these are called terms. Terms are, means what are terms? Terms are the quantity, or terms are part of algebraic expression. Okay, so you can write here part of algebraic expression connected by which one? One is plus sign and minus sign, connected by plus or minus sign. Okay, this is not any point, these are the sign only, connected by plus or minus sign. Just before I told you how to connect. Now next one is, sorry, I have written in this one, these are part of algebraic expression. I have written here. Okay, so here we will write these are connected by plus or minus sign. Next one is like term. What are like term? Like term means एक जैसी. Correct? So according to this algebraic expression, what will be like term? Like term, 2 terms. How many? 2 or more, you can say. More terms having same variable, and same power. Correct? Same power. ऐसी 2 terms आप ले लो जिनके वेरिएबल और पावर क्या हो? सेम हो. Same variable and same power should be there. For example, I will take here, I have written here 2xy, and one I have written here 3y multiply by x. Here see, variable is x and y. In other term, variable is y and x, means both are same. Correct? In other side, here power of this x is 1. Here power of xy is 1 only. Here also y1 and x1. It means these both are like term. No need to look at constant. What constants are there? What are the signs? No need to look at signs and constant. Just look at variables. Same variable, same power means like term. One more example I am taking here. 3x square yz, or I have written here 6yx square z. Now see, x, y, z, 3 are there, and here x square, y, z, all are same. Okay? Now, next is unlike term. Unlike term means same, this is just opposite to like term. Like term are having same variable and same power. Similarly, unlike terms having not same variable or same power. Not having same variable means different variable, you can say. So I would like to write here unlike term, different variable. Correct? Different variable and power. Here same written in next one. Here I have to write. This is different variable. Correct? Different variable and power. So these are unlike term. Now next thing is monomial. Monomial, these are just counting of the terms. Just counting, nothing else. Counting how? Mono means 1, bi means 2, tri means 3 and poly means more than 3. So here we can say, suppose one expression I am writing here, 3x. Here one term was only there. If we are having one term. How many? One term. If we are having one term, that is called monomial. Correct? One term is the monomial. If I will take two terms, like I will write here 3x square plus 4. Correct? These are 1 and 2 terms are there. Just before I told you what are terms. So 1 and 2 terms are, this is called binomial. Correct? The next one is trinomial. Trinomial means having 3 terms, like 3x plus 4y plus z. 1, 2 and 3. If we are talking about 3 terms, that is called trinomial. Okay? Now polynomial, if we are having more than 3 terms, we can call them all in others also. Polynomial having more than 3 terms is called polynomial. Okay, so these are monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. So one by one, again I am repeating the same thing. Variable whose value is not fixed. Whose value is not fixed, it will vary, like x, y, z, maybe 1, 2, 3 or 5. Nah? Constant means whose value is fixed. Any constant number you can take from the number line, that will be constant. Terms are the part of the algebraic expression, and algebraic expression is a combination of variable, constant and these signs, maybe multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Like term, 2 terms having same variable and same power. Unlike term, different variable and different power. For example, I would like to say here 3x square plus 2x. See, variable are same here, but power are different. 2 and 1. So they are not like term. If I will write here 2x plus 3y, here variable are different. These are also not like term. So like term means same variable and same power. Both things we have to see. Okay. Now next one is monomial, means algebraic expression. An algebraic expression having one term only. Binomial having 2 term. Trinomial having 3 term. And the polynomial more than 3 terms we can say. Okay. So these are the basic terms of algebraic expression. Now we will learn addition and subtraction of polynomial. I'm just going to erase it, and after that we will take addition and subtraction. How to add and how to subtract two polynomials or two expressions. Addition and subtraction. Correct? How to add and how to subtract? See, basically in this one only one thing we have to see. One is if we are adding or subtracting the terms. Should be like. First thing, terms should be like. If terms are like term, we can add or subtract. Otherwise, don't add or don't subtract. Like one example I am taking here, 2x square plus 5x plus 1. In this one we have to add. Okay, we have to find addition. That is 3y plus 2x plus 3. Like this. How we will add them? See, this is 2x square and this is 3y. These are not like term. If we don't have like term, So write it as it is, 2x square. This 3y, we don't have any like terms, so we can write here 3y only. And last one, see, these two are like. These two are like terms. So 5 and 2. And we have to solve this one according to sign. If they are having negative or positive sign, so we have to follow the rules. Okay. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7x. Terms, variables are same of the term. So write x and just add constant of the same. Okay. Now plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. These are also like term, both are constant. This is the way to add. Similarly, subtraction also. So we will learn these things when we will solve questions. Before that, see, some questions are there of exercise 3.1. Like number A in first question, that is 2x square plus x minus 1. Okay, this one is given question, and this one we have to classify the following expression as monomial, binomial and trinomial. So one more I am writing, number B is minus 50x square. C is, one more is there, that is 12x minus x square and y square. Next D is, that is 100. E, that is 7xy minus 4x plus 2xy and minus 1. Okay? These 5 questions I will take. Okay? Now watch it carefully. We have to classify according to term. This is monomial, binomial or trinomial. Can you say about it? How many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. So this will be trinomial. Here how many terms are there? Only 1. So this will be monomial. Correct? This one, how many terms are there? 1 and 2. So this will be binomial. Correct? And here one term is there only. This one also monomial. Okay? Here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I told you, when more than 3 terms are there, we will call it polynomial. Okay? So these are. So you may try to solve 3.1, question number 1 or 2 from your side. Then in next day, we will take next thing and new thing. Okay? So thank you. This much only you have to do today. Thank you. Have a nice day.